In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve the issue of queued emails not sending in Gmail. Whether it's a work email that's stuck or an important message that needs to go out, it can be frustrating when emails just sit there in your outbox. But don't worry, because I'll guide you through some steps to get your emails moving again. First, let's start by checking your internet connection. It might seem obvious, but sometimes the simplest things are what actually cause the problem. Make sure your device is properly connected to the internet. You can try opening a web page or running a quick speed test to ensure your connection is stable. A poor connection can be the reason your emails aren't being sent. Next, we'll check if Gmail is set to offline mode. This setting allows you to use Gmail when you're not connected to the internet, but it also means emails won't be sent until you're back online. To do this, open your Gmail settings, find the offline section, and make sure it's disabled if you want your emails to send immediately. Now let's make sure that your Gmail isn't inadvertently in offline mode on your device. Check any settings or applications that might interfere with your internet connectivity and ensure Gmail is allowed to operate online in real time. Sometimes all it takes to fix the problem is simply refreshing your Gmail page or the app. If your email is stuck in the queue, try refreshing the page. If you're using a web browser, just hit the refresh button. Similarly, if you're on a mobile device, close the app completely and reopen it. Another handy tip is clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Temporary glitches can be caused by outdated files stored by your browser, and clearing them can resolve these issues. For most browsers, you can do this through the history or privacy settings. A clean slate might just do the trick. Next, consider disabling and re-enabling sync. Go to your Gmail settings on your device, navigate to sync settings, and turn it off and back on. This action can help kickstart the process when things are stuck, and often helps clear up synchronization problems. It's also important to check your storage space. Both Gmail and your device need adequate storage to function correctly. If your storage is full, freeing up some space might be necessary for emails to send properly. Finally, ensure that both your Gmail app and your device's operating system are up to date. Updates often include crucial fixes and improvements that resolve many common issues. Make sure you're running the latest versions to avoid any unnecessary complications. Follow these steps and you should see those queued emails start sending without a hitch. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to smooth emailing. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips.